When we introduced our air hammer extractor a while back, it revolutionized the removal of seized injectors. So we got thinking, what other jobs would benefit from the super efficient short sharp shock of the air hammer extractor? Now we're proud to introduce the 7850 Air Hammer Puller Set. It converts your air hammer from pushing to pulling and makes light work of tough jobs in the workshop. Let's start with this engine pulley. Hook the two-legged attachment up to the job, power up the air hammer, and watch our tool remove this stubborn pulley with ease. There's an attachment for every job. Remember these seized injectors? A few seconds with the air hammer puller and they're seized no more. Got a jammed drive shaft? Fear not. The kit has you covered with the drive shaft puller attachment. It's easy when you have the right tool. Got an old distributor that doesn't want to leave its cozy home? Explain that resistance is futile when you've got the air hammer puller. You will find plenty of uses for this innovative bit of kit from Laser Tools,